Well, good morning, everybody. Hi, Roxy. You waking up? Yeah? And there's little Riley. Your eyes look so funny. You look like an alien. You do too, look. Well, it is October. Oh my gosh, that's funny. I have alien dogs. Aliens! Ruff! And I have a messy bus right now. But, let's go around here. I don't know if you can hear it. But, we have a rainy day. Yes, we do. Rain, rain, rain. Guess it's going to be a movie day today. It is pretty though. Won't be much chance of getting stuck here because this is all a lot of rock where I'm at. Tomorrow is moving day. Tomorrow we are leaving Winslow, Arizona, and we're heading down south. So that's going to be fun. I have been ready to get behind the wheel. So, yeah. Getting on the road again. Yeah. It's going to be like a 4.5 hour trip. And I'll be sitting right there in that driver's seat. Really looking forward to it. Let's see here. Lots of rain. Yes, I have a roll down window. This is an 89. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Yep. Beautiful rainy day. Let's roll that window back up because it's kind of cold. Alien children. Look at those eyes. That is hysterical. We just tumbled out of bed and I wanted to look at the rain. So yeah. Wow, that's pretty funny. Roxy, you look funny. Riley, so do you. Look at me, Riley. Hi. Hi, baby. Look up here.
Yeah. Oh, scary.
Okay, little things make me laugh. Okay. All right, let's get this day started.
Woo! Alien dog. Yes. Too funny.
Oh, here we are. Early in the morning. It's like 6:30 in the morning. I woke up and I was woken up by some fantastic rain. I love hearing that on top of the roof. That's just fun. But anyway, so because it is rainy, the best thing to do is to use a generator because I'm not going to get any solar power today. And so that's what I'm going to do. So let me show you what I do when that scenario happens. Well, I'm going to drink my water. I always have a glass of water every morning. It helps get your digestive system going. So that's how I start the day. Tried to tidy up a little bit here. And since it's raining so much, I'm going to have to get out here and start my generator. I had that as backup when it's a rainy day like this because you stay, it's muddy out here. Okay, see, muddy. Don't want her trampling in here and then jumping all around in the bus. It's already, when it's rainy, it already gets muddy. See, muddy, 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 muddy. It gets muddy. So you stay. You're not coming out here. No, go. Thank you. Anyway, have to discipline. I am the pack leader. Anyway, here is my Honda. Of course, I have my tarp up here, so it's somewhat being covered by rain. And I have my little gas can there, and I'm going to fill it up because I used it last night. It's 62 degrees right now, and that feels wonderful. But last night it got lower than that, so I had to turn on the Jenny so that I could have some heat from my little heater. I do have a Mr. Buddy heater. I don't like using it in the bus really that much, only to heat it up and then heat the bus up and then turn it off. I don't really trust those things. So anyway, I do have this. I have the carbon monoxide, you know, so I do have that. It's just that, woo, I really prefer to use electric when I can. And so the Honda generator, this is a Honda 2000. It comes in handy a lot when you have bad weather and you need some power. Yeah, it works out really good. Look at that little girl. She sneaked out. Well, she had a good reason to sneak out. Look at her. She had to go potty. All right, you can come back in because it's rainy. Rocks, rocks. Get inside. All right. So, let's get this thing started. Okay, she's purring. So we're in business. I can put my gas tank up. And, yeah. What I do is I have this power cord right here. And it's going all the way inside the shuttle bus. And I have it hooked up to a power strip in here so that we can have power. So I can use my lights. Whoops. Whoa. It's wet. I'm slippery here. I can turn on my lights in here. Yay! Look, I still have an alien dog. Yeah. So anyway, I can do that. This is the heater that I used. Last night to keep me warm because it got cold last night, and it did the trick. Yeah. Did you put mud in my bed? I bet you did. Whoa. Anyway, we are in business, so I can enjoy some movies here on my laptop today. Make me some breakfast over here. I boiled me some potatoes so that I can pan fry them up. And I'm whipping some onions. I'm going to make my, it's an easier way to make your hash browns by boiling the potatoes first. And then, of course, make me some tea. So I'll decide which one I want. Okay. Make some hot tea. I already brushed my teeth. That's what that is. And we are going to just relax today since we have such a muddy day. Oop, it's now 7. Okay. Well, folks, that's what today is about. When you have rainy days, good message for today. You just improvise And it pays to have a generator. It really does. It is pretty out here. Yeah. Good vibrations to all of you. Well, even with all this rock, there's lots of gooey red clay, and look at my footprints. I squished in the ground. We're supposed to leave tomorrow. I sure hope it dries out before we leave, or we might have a little trouble getting out of here. Oh my goodness. Cooking up some taters, onions, and garlic. Yummy. Had to open the vent here. Hope the rain doesn't come through. I got it like partially so that I can get some of this smell coming out that way, because whew, those onions are a little strong this morning, but it's gonna be yummy. Cook it in organic coconut oil. Just use a little bit of that, and they crisp up really nice, especially if you boil the potatoes beforehand and then just cut them up. They're already cooked, so all you're doing pretty much is searing some flavor in there and heating them up. Yeah, that's gonna be a good breakfast. Yay! Okay, is it gonna be jalapeno hot sauce? This is organic. Or chipotle pepper hot sauce on those yummy potatoes. Ooh, smoking hot, yummy. Maybe both. Okay, here it is. One on one side, one on the other. We'll just do a taste test and see which one I like with the potatoes. I probably will like them both. But anyway, yeah, I love hash browns. They're so warm. Hash browns for breakfast today. It's kind of fun. Get up, enjoy yourself, make a little spot of breakfast, and ooh, I gotta make, that just made me think of a spot of tea. I need to have that. Wake up, people. Have some breakfast. I think I'll make green tea and ginger. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, let's do that. Tea time. Let's do this. I need it. Boy, you make a lot of noise. All right, here we go. Looking forward to that. As you see, I have no internet. So what I have to do is, on my phone, I tether it to my laptop, and then that way I can watch a movie. So I've already set it on tethering. So I've got to, ooh, where's my thing? I've got to do the icon, click it up, and it's connecting, and it's connected, and it's secure. So now I can watch movies. Yay. There it comes. I like watching a lot of these oldies. Yeah. Alright. You get the picture. Okay, so I'm all set. Got my hot green ginger tea. I'm eating my wonderful hash browns here. And they are delicious. They're really yummy. Nice and warm for the tummy. So anyway, I'm ready to go. Gonna be watching a movie. And hey, can't ask for anything better than that. That's what you do on a rainy day. Alright, see you guys. Everybody, as usual, I have to leave you with the message to wake up and live, to enjoy your life. Get out here, have your adventures, enjoy yourself. Alright, even have fun on a rainy day. I love rainy days. Give you a nice look at Shuttle Babe. She's beautiful. Alright, Beachcricket out. Bye!